Okay. Nice. Wow.
I'm making a ball.
I'll try to make a ball.
Wait, I need to wipe my hands. It's going on the table.
Hi guys, this is Jill and I'm with
Zailey and Enzo.
and welcome back to our
Channel.
channel. So for today's video, we're going to make
Oobleck.
Very good. So today's activity is going to be very easy because all you need is
I like to make.
okay, we'll make. Okay, so all you need is a cornstarch.
This one, mommy.
Okay, later, huh?
We're going to put this one.
We're going to put the water there and
water
and
food coloring.
food coloring. What's the color of our food coloring?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, so are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's begin.
Ah! Quiet now.
Okay.
It's night time ready.
So you need 2 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. So you're going to put the water inside. Okay, can you do it, Zailey? Slowly.
Whoa. Can I try? No, my okay, you can try. Awesome. Mommy, look.
Make
Make sure it's all. Mommy, look done.
Okay, then Enzo, stir, mix, agitate. Okay. Zailey, slowly now. Agitate.
One is really same slime. Same thing. Not this.
Okay, wait. One moment. Agitate, agitate.
This reminds me of
Slime.
yeah. This reminds me of where are you? Here I am. Here I am. Adjective, but it's adjective. Adjective.
So if it's too watery, you can add more cornstarch. Okay, huh? Yeah, so you mix
I'm
now.
going to put this one and I'll turn blue.
So we're going to put the food coloring.
Wait, I want to try. Zailey.
Zailey.
Okay.
How about Kuya Enzo?
No.
Let Kuya Enzo try.
Yeah. How Zailey. Okay. Let me go. No.
Yeah.
That one is for girls only.
Okay, so
Not
can you put
boys.
food
That one
coloring?
is not boys. That one is for
Who's going to put the food coloring?
Me, Zailey.
And can you open it with Enzo, please? Kuya Enzo.
Oh, she doesn't open it.
No, open this.
I do like that one.
Okay, small. So what's the color?
Blue.
Blue. Very good.
Look at mommy's hand.
Wash hands after
It's hard. It's not hard, Mom. Oh, it's not. Yeah.
So Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. It has solid and liquid properties. So if you're going to look dip the spoon
so
slowly,
hard.
look, it's liquid, see?
Yeah.
But if you're going to put pressure on it, if you're going to squeeze it or punch it, it's solid.
Want to try? Let's do pump. Let's do pump.
Okay, let's try to add more.
I can feel this. It's actually very good.
Yeah, let's mix this.
I like it.
Try to add more. Yeah, we
It's
can,
actually so cute. It was nice as well.
yeah, you show them your toy, Zailey. And by the way,
Enzo.
Zailey Enzo has a YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel, Enzo?
Red Vibers.
Yes, so we'll just put the link on the description box.
So, mommy.
And please subscribe to Enzo's channel. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Slowly. Look, it's liquid. Careful, huh? Just put your hands there, huh?
Looks like a bubble.
How about Enzo?
Yeah.
See?
Whoa.
But, look, huh? But if you're
Looks like
going
slime.
to...
Yeah, looks like that.
Look, see? I'll show you, huh? Look, I'm going to... Try to make a ball. Slowly, Enzo. Go to
I'm not having the ball. I'm just trying
Slowly.
Wait, it's already
dried.
Yes.
Let's just wash your hands.
Oh, that's a good.
Yay! Look, wait. Wait, huh? Look. Okay, put your hands there, Zailey, huh? Look, huh? I'll show you. I'm going to make a ball. Look. Look, the ball, look. Oh no, it's liquid. No.
Yeah, let's try.
Nice? Wow. You like it? Careful, huh?
Where's the ball? Ah, it's gone. I saw that. It was gone.
There. Try to make a ball, Zailey.
I'm
Try
not fall down.
Fall down.
Oh no, your clothes.
Yeah, slowly,
It's covered. Yes.
Wait. Try to make a ball, Enzo.
I'm not slowly.
A big ball.
I'm not got my.
I feel a lot of faster. Go. There, inside.
Look at it.
Oh no.
Oh, it's just gone.
It's nice.
Yeah.
No, very dirty.
And sticky. Yeah. That was very fun.
How about I'll try to make a ball.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, Zailey. Try to make a ball first. Wait,
Oh.
put your hands there, Zailey. There, already.
The ones
One, two,
in
three,
the
go. Oh, wait.
Look at the ones in the ground.
Small ball. Oh no more. Really?
Oh, it's gone.
And it's very smooth.
Yeah. It's. Oh, I got some. I got a lot.
Slowly. Oh, no more na.
Oh, look at that. It's going down.
See? Okay, wait. Let's show them.
Yeah.
Look how we'll show them. So if you're going to slowly put your hands or dip your hands, it's
Punch. I like the
liquid.
punch.
Punch. Go try to punch it, Zailey.
I want to try.
It's hard.
Looks like a slime.
It's hard. Punch it. See? It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
Then try to like slowly
Okay,
dip your hands
try.
inside. Slowly lang. See? It's liquid.
What's got wet?
It's okay. Careful lang. Huh?
Oh yeah, it's liquid. It's like
Yeah.
it's like when there's like an escape part. You have to like escape and you only have to bring like one person, and that's this one like that. Because if you put all, making the ball
it's
is melting. Want to punch?
And slowly.
Want to
Okay.
punch? Want to move your hand?
Excuse me. Slowly inside there.
With this.
Uh,
Ow!
I'm making a ball. I'll try to make a ball.
How do?
Look. See? Look, I'm trying to make a ball right here, but oh no more.
Look at this. It's hard. Now it's not.
So you like the activity today?
That was melting.
It's melting?
Oh my god, it's melting so fast.
Careful.
The speed is like 10%.
Wow.
Look at that.
So that's it for this vlog. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
It's nice?
I'm not how get my hands.
It's okay. We'll just wash your hands after. Okay, so watch out for more activities with us. Please don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe. Looks like slime.
subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified whenever we have new videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Enzo's channel as well. Bye! See you in the next one. Bye, baby. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Wait, I need to wipe my hands. It's going on the table. Wait, can I try that? Can I try, Zailey? I mean, hold on. You got in my pants, Zailey. Zailey, you went in my pants. I'm so cool. We're fancy. Yeah. We're fancy.
It's going on my pants.
Oh, no.
Ooh, very good. Okay, then Zailey, can you try to punch it? Punch. Ooh, again.